Yes, you can add additional deposits to your Merrick Bank Secure credit card. If you guys have the W line card, then that one I wouldn't suggest that you guys add any additional deposits onto it, because if you guys do what you need to do, it's going to double anyway. So yes, you can go ahead and add money. It is going to be up to the $3,000 that they allow. So they'll allow you to have a $3,000 limit. You can add all the way up to the $3,000 that they allow. Now let me show you the spot where I actually seen that they had it on under their Q&A, so that you guys can be able to learn how to search different things like this. So here it is right here. Do I have to deposit more money to double my line? So they talk about the W line here, but this is the part that I read too. So for the classic secure credit card, your credit line won't double. You can increase your credit line at any time by adding additional money to your security deposit up to $3,000. So you can add money to your account up to $3,000, and also you can also increase your credit line by adding more money to your security deposit anytime up to $3,000. So they said it again there. So if you guys are looking to double your line, not double your line, but if you're looking to increase your credit limit, then go ahead and add more money onto that card.